Welcome to Photoshop Lab. Let's add some gradient map. Select your color combination, but you can always copy my gradient map template. I will put the codes in the description. Hit OK, reverse, add new layer. Place the new layer below the gradient map. Use soft brush template, then white as your foreground color. And simply play around. As easy as that. You can improve this by converting the flattened layered into smart object. Then add some grains or noise. Set the slider based on your perspective. And here are some templates. Once again, thank you so much.